Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a really fun type of video. I'm going to be filming for each day of the week and showing you guys my outfit of the day. So today, Monday, will be the first day, and then I'll end off on Sunday, which is the last day of the week. I cannot tell you guys what kind of outfits are going to be in this video because obviously I cannot predict the weather. It's been like really up and down lately here in PA. Literally, we just called for snow yesterday and it's like 72 degrees today. So yeah, it is 4 in the afternoon, Monday, April 8th, and that is when I'm gonna start off. So this is my first outfit. My top is from the website Wrongway. It is just this camo crop top with a bunch of holes in the back, and also has one rip in the front, which I think is really stylish. And it is super cropped though, so I like to pair it with these super high-waisted black ripped jeans from American Eagle. And then I also have my Timberlands on, obviously the classics. I love pairing these shoes with all kinds of different outfits. And then I also pair that with some jewelry. This is just a necklace that says Cancer. It is my zodiac sign, and I wear this all the time. I really love like name necklaces and things that have words written out. It is 76 degrees out right now, and I feel like this outfit really suits for today's weather because it is quite hot. So I do have a crop top on, but it's not like too hot to the point where I can wear like shorts or a skirt or something like that because it is still very windy outside. My weather app is predicting that Tuesday will be rainy with a high of 69 and a low of 42. So I'm gonna try and plan out my outfit for tonight, and I will see you guys tomorrow and show you guys what I ended up picking out. Hey guys, so it is now the next morning. It is Tuesday, April 9th, and as you can tell, I do not have my outfit on for the day, and that is because I decided that I wanted to kind of make this video into a little bit of a vlog. By saying that, I'm gonna go over the weather in the morning, kind of pick out my outfit with you guys, and then show a little vlog throughout the day of me wearing the outfit instead of just sitting down and being like, it's Tuesday, this is what I'm wearing, this is my outfit for Wednesday, it's Thursday, and things like that, because this video will be really boring and super short. So yesterday's weather prediction for today was that it was supposed to be rainy and cloudy like all day, but it's actually very sunny out right now, and it feels hotter than it was yesterday, even though yesterday's degrees was like 70 and it says it's 60 today, but it feels hotter out, so I don't really know what the deal with that is. The rain is supposed to start around 4 o'clock, it says, but it's only a 40% chance, so I don't really think it's gonna end up storming. But it is sunny right now. It's supposed to get cloudy around 1. The high for today is 70, so I am gonna dress a little bit like yesterday, only I'm gonna bring a jacket because if it does end up storming, I don't want to like be out in the rain. Okay, so I'm now in my car, and when I mentioned earlier that I was gonna like vlog every day of the week, I didn't mean like vlog my whole entire day because this video would be so long. I just meant including like little clips and snippets of me wearing my outfit and like doing things throughout the day. I'm probably gonna go get breakfast as well. But for my outfit today, I ended up going with a cropped hoodie and just some jeans. I know I wore a cropped shirt yesterday, but it was super hot, and today it's like hot, but it says that it's supposed to get colder later, so I ended up going with a cropped hoodie. So if it does get cold, it still like covers more than a cropped shirt. But it is still hot, so it does allow lots of airflow. And I just paired that with some Hollister jeans that have like minimal rips in them. And also I'm wearing my white Nike Huaraches. I feel like this outfit is super simple and basic, but that's what I wear like on an everyday basis, if you know what I mean. Like, I'm not gonna show you guys really put together and dressy outfits because that's not what I wear on the daily. Hi, can I have a chocolate frosted donut with sprinkles?
Anything else?
No, that'll be it.
Please pull forward.
Thank you. I did not know what I wanted. That was not planned.
So 99 cents.
Thank you. Hey guys, so today it is Wednesday and it is April 10th, and I actually got a lot done this morning. I got caught up on my schoolwork. I'm like 75% done with my work already for this week, and it's only Wednesday, so that's really good. And I also got ahead for next week because I did some assignments that were due in 2 weeks, if that makes sense. And I also cleaned my room, I did my wash, I got all caught up, and I was just very productive this morning. I also woke up earlier than I normally do. I woke up at like 7:30, so maybe that's why I got like a jump start to my day. But the weather for today is actually quite cold. It is only 53 degrees right now, so that is not like too warm considering the weather that we had earlier in the week, which was obviously way sunnier than this, and it's also cloudy out right now. So I have just been cold like all morning. So I'm probably gonna do double layers. I've been loving double layers recently. Like I love to double layer my pants and put like hoodies under a North Face, if you know what I mean. Andrew literally made me oatmeal for my breakfast, so that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm also waiting for my straightener to heat up because I want to straighten my hair for today. Since I did get a lot done this morning, I don't really have too much to do today. I'm hanging out with a friend later, and I'm probably just gonna do that all day. So yeah, I'm probably not gonna be vlogging too much. If you guys follow my Instagram, you probably already saw this outfit because like I said, I love wearing double layers. I think it looks so cute and stylish, especially like if you put like a bright color like a neon orange or a neon green under like a black color, because it really makes like a little bit of color pop. I did already do my makeup, so I'm just waiting on my hair. And the main reason why I'm picking this orange hoodie under a North Face is because these shoes have an orange Nike symbol and they match like really good. These are the Nike Airliner shoes that I put in a recent haul of mine, and they actually come with like color inserts. They come with like blue, purple, green, and all kinds of different colors, and this orange just looks so nice with this hoodie. I don't even think it's like that cold for double layers, but like I said, I've just been like so cold this morning. And then I zip it up like a little bit so you can still see the orange hoodie from underneath. So my final outfit for Wednesday is this orange hoodie that I got from the Rainbow Shops with a black North Face over top and just some plain pink leggings with my Nike Airliners with the orange inserts. I am leaving to hang out with a friend later at like around 12:30, so I'm probably just gonna straighten my hair and then I'll just head out for the rest of the day. So it is now a fresh new day. It is Thursday, April 11th. It is like 12 o'clock right now, and I have no clue what my outfit is going to be for today because yesterday I dressed really coldly because it was cold out, and it actually did end up raining halfway throughout the day when I was in my car. So I'm really glad that I ended up going with 2 jackets because it did end up getting super cold. But it is 43 degrees right now, and literally the weather is just getting colder and colder as the week goes on. It was 70 Monday, 60 Tuesday, 50 yesterday, Wednesday, and now today, Thursday, it's 40 degrees, and I swear to God, if Friday is 30 degrees, I'm literally not even gonna step foot outside of my house because it's supposed to be like not winter anymore. Like it's literally April. Like I'm just going to be doing lots of schoolwork today, and I also have to film for a video that you guys have probably already saw because I'm going to edit and post it today. It is going to be braiding my hair. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on Dutch braids. So I'm just going to be filming that braiding video now, and then I'll see you guys when my hair is all braided, when I have my outfit picked out. So it is now around 1:30 and my hair is now braided because I just got done filming that video, and I'm going to edit it in a second, but I wanted to update this video because I finally picked out my outfit for today, but I ended up putting on this black and gold leather bomber jacket. The sleeves on the inside of this jacket are like fleece, so it's really warm. Perfect for today because it's cold. And I'm also wearing medium washed American Eagle jeans. Now the rips in these jeans are very big, but my legs don't really get cold, so that's fine. And I paired this outfit with my black low top Air Force Ones. I really hope that it decides to get warmer throughout the day because as much as I love dressing up in warm clothing, I also hate being out in the cold. And I'm also editing this video right now, so I could just like add clips so it's ready by the end of the week to go up. But I'm gonna edit my braiding hair tutorial. So you guys, I'm actually at Walmart right now because I wanted to look for a camera tripod for my car, like in the dashboard. When I film like playlist videos and things, my camera is not just like on a phone holder because it always slides around and I always have to keep readjusting it. This should be like what I want and what I need, but it's $40 and I feel like I could get something on Amazon for cheaper. And also it's for a GoPro, so I don't know if that would be like the same thing. I'm assuming it would be, but I don't want to spend $40 and have it not fit my camera. Hey guys, so it is now the next day and I am currently in bed, obviously, as you can see, and it is now Friday, April 12th. It is 9:46 a.m. Hello? Okay. I have not yet checked the weather for today, but I know I want like a nicer outfit than normal because I'm going to be taking out the braids that I put in my hair today, and it's going to be wavy. I mean, it is still 50 degrees out, and it says today's high weather is 70 degrees. I know it's not going to be sunny, so it's probably not going to feel like that at all. So I'm going to get up and take out my braids in a minute, but the video that I was supposed to post yesterday, I actually could not get around to editing because my camera, you have to like save videos if they're over 10 minutes as a new file, and then you can export them to the computer. Right now what I'm waiting on is for it to export from iMovie, and it says that I have like a bunch of hours left, which I obviously do not have to wait 142 hours. It literally goes down insanely, and I don't know why. But since I wasn't able to edit that video yesterday, I did end up editing some of this video like as I go along throughout the week, so I am all caught up with that, which I'm really glad for. And I also have 2 history essays which I need to hop on, but it's not like I'm behind or anything, so it is fine. Okay, so before I take these out, I'm actually gonna clean my room because like I can't stand when I'm filming and like my bed looks messy. So I always clean my room before I film in this setup. But I also sprayed some Herbal Essence dry shampoo on my hair because when I took a shower last night, I couldn't wash it because it was in the braids. So I just did that a bit to freshen up. So I kind of just sped through my makeup because that's not what this video is about. I finally have my outfit picked out for Friday. It is another cropped hoodie, you guys. I warned you earlier that I do live in these. I have so many of them and I wear them all the time. The weather did say it was supposed to be 70 degrees later, but it's also said it's supposed to rain, so this has like a hood if I need it. And it's not like too cropped. Like the jeans that I have it with, like it barely shows any stomach, and it is super heavy and like fleece on the inside, so it does keep me warm. But I just have that cropped hoodie with some Hollister khaki jeans that have no rips in them, and my Adidas rose gold Superstars. I really love the rose gold detailing on these shoes. I feel like it just adds like the cutest little pop of pink to this outfit. I already know that there's going to be lots of comments like, you need to dress like more appropriately for the weather. But like, you guys, I know my body. I know what gets me cold when I wear it and what keeps me warm. So it is now Saturday, April 13th. And I already have my outfit picked out. I got up early at like 8 o'clock this morning, so I got a shower, I brushed my teeth, I like did everything. I already did my makeup and stuff. I'm just waiting for my hair to dry so I can straighten it. It is currently 10 o'clock right now, and I do already have my outfit for the day. It's actually surprisingly supposed to be quite nice today. The high for today is 75 degrees, which is the warmest that we had all week. It's currently cloudy right now, but it's supposed to clear up at around 1 o'clock and get super hot out. So I'm wearing this zip up jacket that I can obviously take off if I need to if it gets super hot. And these light ripped Hollister jeans with my black low top Air Force Ones. I might have already paired these with an outfit this week, I'm not really sure, but they just really match this outfit. And yeah, I really like this outfit. I think this is my favorite out of all of the outfits so far. But this jacket is from the Rainbow Shops. It has 2 stripes down the sleeves. And I zip it up halfway with a white tank top underneath, and then I also tie it at the top here. And also for today, I didn't put on lashes. I just put on some Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Later today, I'm just going to be finishing up my homework. I'm already 88% done for this week. All of my work for 1 week is due Monday, so I have all weekend to do it, but I just want to get it out of the way. I only have like a couple more assignments left. I have modules 25 and 26, history chapter questions, and then I am done. And then starts the new week Monday. So I'm all caught up with my schoolwork. I'm also going to breakfast at 11. Now Sunday, April 14th, and I got up this morning at around like 8 o'clock, and I signed into homeroom and everything. It is now 11:30, and I haven't yet picked out my outfit for the day. I haven't even checked the weather yet, but I did already do my hair and some of my makeup. I didn't like do a full face, but I just put on my eyebrows. For the weather, it is currently 57 degrees up, but it says it's supposed to get around 60 later. Okay, so I was looking through my closet to try and find things to match with black jeans, which is what I'm wearing for today's outfit, and I totally forgot I had this hoodie. It was like down in the deep side of my closet. And I'm gonna be pairing this outfit with my black high top Vans because that's what I usually always wear this outfit with when I wear them. Okay, so yesterday I said that that was my favorite outfit, but I actually want to change it to this outfit. I forgot how much I loved it, and I haven't worn this in a while. The sweatshirt is from Rue 21. I have this with my black minimal ripped jeans from Hollister and my black high top Vans that I got from Kohl's. I feel like the checkers on the sleeve really match the aesthetic of the Vans for some reason. Also, yes, I did already wear these jeans in this video, but it was literally at the beginning of the week, and I already did my wash and washed my clothes and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna head out now. Oh my god, you guys, it actually is really hot out. There's like no wind today. Okay, so it is now 1:42 and I am at Target, and they didn't have what I wanted. I ended up being able to exchange the thing that I needed, but they didn't have exactly what I wanted, so I'm gonna go over to Walmart and see if they have it there. I'm looking for like a key ring for my keys, so I could put like my wallet on there, so I can have all of my cards, like my license and my credit card and everything, just with my keys, because I'm really bad at like carrying my wallet with me. Just because like if I have my keys, then I know I have everything else, you know. It's not like I have to grab a bunch of things. So I'm editing this video realizing that I don't have a proper outro for this video because I kind of stopped vlogging at a weird point. But I did end up going to Walmart and getting what I needed. It is right there. It is like a key ringed wallet that I can just clip onto my keys. It's really convenient, and it's not like too big or bulky, so it looks like fine. It fits everything I need in it. But that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below if you want to see like an updated version of this video of me doing this in the summer when it's all nicer outfits. And I can actually promise you guys that the outfits are going to be nice and put together, because I will admit that I do dress a little bit nicer in the summer because it's warmer out, and I just feel like putting more effort into my outfits rather than like cold, cloudy, and rainy days. So if that's something you guys would want to see, definitely be sure to comment down below so I know. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on all of my post notifications so you can get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.